Welcome. Today we are setting up the Kickbacks.ai browser extension. Before we begin, you will need two things: a compatible desktop web browser and your active login credentials. This process takes a manual web task and automatically structures it into a clean, exportable dataset. Spending about 6 minutes on this setup today will eliminate hours of repetitive manual data entry from your weekly workload. First, open your browser's extension store and navigate to the Kickbacks.ai download page. Click the Primary Download or Add to Browser button to start the installation. The extension requires permission to read page data so it can extract the information you need. When prompted, click Allow. Once installed, new extensions are often hidden by default. If you don't pin it now, it will be frustrating to find later. Look up at your browser toolbar and click the puzzle piece icon to open the full extensions menu. Find Kickbacks.ai in that list and click the pin icon right next to it. Locking that icon to your toolbar ensures the tool is always exactly where you need it for your daily workflows. Now, click your newly pinned Kickbacks.ai icon to open the login dropdown. Enter your standard credentials or use your single sign-on provider to securely authenticate. This diagram shows the initial synchronization. The extension is securely syncing with the central database to retrieve your profile. During this sync, it pulls down your company's specific formatting preferences and baseline configurations. With authentication complete, the extension is fully personalized and ready to process data. Let's look at the main dashboard. It uses a structured grid format, very similar to a Microsoft Excel workbook. On the left is the main Tools menu, which houses your primary navigation options. Below that is the Workflow Automation tab. This is where you will manage and monitor all of your active extraction tasks. Down at the bottom, you'll find the Settings gear for any advanced configuration adjustments you might need later. Knowing where these elements live will keep you moving quickly once you start processing live pages. To test the setup, navigate to any standard corporate web page containing raw, unstructured data table. While on that page, click the Kickbacks.ai extension icon in your toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select the Run Data Extraction Workflow command. The extension immediately scans the page and pulls the raw text into structural nodes. It evaluates the context and organizes that messy data into clean, defined rows and columns without any manual sorting on your end. Watch as the browser automatically redirects you away from the web page and back into the Kickbacks.ai dashboard. This table displays the final result. All the previously unstructured web data is now cleanly formatted into organized rows. Generating this completed dataset confirms your workflow is configured correctly and is now fully ready for your daily use. To keep this environment optimized, we recommend 3 practices. First, verify the extension remains pinned to your toolbar. Second, review your automation logs weekly to ensure accuracy. And third, memorize the keyboard shortcuts to speed up execution. This chart maps the cumulative time saved over a standard fiscal quarter. As the metric scales upward, it reflects the sheer volume of hours reclaimed from routine tasks. You have successfully installed and configured Kickbacks.ai. You are now equipped to skip the manual entry and let the automation handle the heavy lifting.